Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to create T-code or transaction code for an ABAP report program. As you know that every T-code is based on any ABAP program. So you have to have the program created and then only you can create the T-code based on that program. So I'll be showing you that how to create your own T-code. So first you have to go to the T code AC93. So this is a T code where you can create your own transaction code. And here you first need to type the name, the T code you want to create. And here you have an option called display, change and create. So click on create. And in the next, you will see a screen like this. And here you need to provide the description of the T code, the transaction code you have, and then you have to select the second option, program, and selection screen, report transaction, and then click on next. There are other options, but we are going to use it as a kind of output result, so that we are going to use this option. And in the next screen you will get it like this, and here you have to provide your program name, the program you have created, and then you have to click on save up here. And once you save it, then your T code is successfully created in the system, and you can use this T code for your own purposes. And once your T code is created, and you can always display here, you need to visit to this T code AC93 and provide your T code, or if you want to check any program of any T code, then provide the T code name here, then click on display. And once you click on display, and it will take you to this last screen right here, so that you can see the program you have saved here, so that also you can see for other T codes what is the program used for any T code. So that's all about this tutorial, and if you want to know more about SAP ABAP, please comment below and like the tutorial if you have liked it. Thank you for watching.